Hi you guys, welcome to Decor Lab. In this video, we will show you how to create an amazing earthy garland with the add-on string spheres. We added the fairy lights in our string sphere for this setup. You can find a video on how to create the string sphere itself in our craft section. You can do so many different setups with this type of garland. Here we are using the earthy colors and I cannot wait to share with you how we did that. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. Custom colors will give any garland a luxurious finish. And this is why we chose the following balloons for our installation. We chose a variety of sizes for installation from 5" to 24". We need to create several 6 balloon clusters in 2 sizes, 17 by 11 by 11" and 5 by 11 by 11". We will also need dumbbells and jumbo balloons for fillers. You can see a detailed video on how to create that type of cluster in our balloon basics section. Now that our balloons are inflated, we will start installing that on a brick. We will use these command hooks. They are perfect for outdoor install and for the brick install. They can hold up to 20 pounds. We will start by attaching 2 to 3 hooks starting from the right top corner and we'll make our garland to go down. Make sure the surface you're attaching to is not dusty or oily. We recommend to wipe and dry your surface before attaching the hooks. Then let hooks to sit for a few minutes on the wall or brick before attaching balloons to it to create a stronger bond. In the meantime, we will create a mini garland creating a color block. It will be easier to apply on the wall a mini garland versus cluster by cluster. That can also be done before you arrive to your installation to cut the installation time. We will use 260s to put our garland together. We will attach 2 to 3 clusters of each color mixing sizes. When a 260 balloon got to its end, just tie it to the base and start a new one. We will use 260s to add our garland to the hook. Now that our base garland is in place, we will add our balloon clusters around the garland to fluff it up, and we'll create a beautiful garland tail on the floor. When we are creating our tail, we want to use more of a bigger clusters to give it a nice fluffy look. If you are installing outdoors, I would recommend to weigh down your tail so it doesn't fly away and remains in the same spot. You can use the sand weights or water weights for it. Do not forget to step away. You see a bigger and fuller picture from farther away and will have a better vision to where to add your next cluster. Next, we will add our jumbo balloons and dumbbells. And let's get to our special part, adding our spheres to our garland. We have our yarn loop already attached to the sphere that is perfect for hanging. What we're going to do is to attach our 260s to it so we can just loop it through the balloons while adding it to the garland. We also inserted the fairy lights inside of the spheres to give it a nice magical finish. And here you have it, our garland with added string spheres. It took 2 people about an hour and a half to put this whole thing together, but remember, our balloons were pre-inflated, so keep that in mind when you're managing your time. You can play with the colors of this garland to make it a full setup, to make it a spring setup, to make it a teddy bear setup. I cannot wait to see what you guys are going to create. Also, make sure you tune up every Thursday at 6 p.m. Eastern Time for our weekly webinars. Here, we talk about so many different topics on decor and business. And I will see you in the next video.